prices in real estate during the COVID period has fallen down drastically. This is actually a real estate myth, I can say. So here I'm only talking about an individual seller, a seller like you and me, who does not even have an intention of business profits in his dealing of real estate, in his transaction in real estate. These are all normal sellers and normal owners who have one or two properties with their hard-earned money and trying to sell. Resellers, individual sellers. I'm talking about this segment of real estate. कि बहुत सारे लोग ये सोच रहे हैं कि प्राइजेस कोविड पीरियड में बहुत ड्रास्टिकली गिर चुके हैं, बहुत ही बुरी तरह से गिर चुके हैं. ये एक्चुअली एक मिथ है. द मोस्ट ऑफ द बायर्स इन इंडिया, द मैक्सिमम बायर्स इन इंडिया हैव this misconception, I can say, that the prices have come down. Definitely not. The prices would never come down. I'm going to show you two properties in this video after once I finish this conversation, which will really show you that what is the actual ground reality of real estate. जब हम फील्ड पे उतर के लोगों से बात करते हैं, बायर्स और सेलर्स से बात करते हैं, तो वहाँ पे सिनारियो कुछ और है. So to clear the things up, let me tell you what were the prices before 2020. Opposite Manyata, HRBR, HPR, Banaswadi, OMBR layout, Kasturi Nagar, Kalyan Nagar, near Nagavara Junction and all that. So if I take this area, the prices around these areas before 2020 was about 14,000 to 15,000 BDA properties. This were the prices in this pocket. So after 2 years down the lane now, today we are in mids of 21 and the prices, you will not believe, the prices have almost touched 18,000-19,000 near Kalyan Nagar, where they were all standing around 15,000 2.5 years back. So prices have actually gone up. This is the ground reality. This is the actual ground reality. Recently I made a couple of videos for my client. Check those videos in Savania State Estates. They were all paid videos. Video number 17, video number 20, video number 14 and video number 7. These were all paid videos, and my clients had hired me to shoot this up video for themselves, and over here even today are not ready to sell the properties in throwaway price just because there is a COVID situation like this. So they are reluctant to sell because the money that they have spent on it, they need to recover it. So they are right on their part as well. So this is the actual ground reality of COVID situation today. So the prices are never going to go down, what the buyers are actually expecting to, but definitely there would be some kind of negotiation where it depends on case to case, person to person. So quickly let me show you two different properties which were very less price before the COVID, and now after 2 years it is the price of those two properties have rose up. That is Udupi Vaibhav. There you can see, from there you can take a left and go to Hennur main road. So this is Udupi Vaibhav. From here you go to Hennur main road, and there is International Airport, towards International Airport, and we are actually going on Hennur Bhairathi. This road actually goes to Hennur Bhairathi. So on this road there are two different properties which actually the prices were around 3,500-4,200, around 4,200 per square feet before the COVID, and now the prices of those have changed really. How much is the price? I'm going to tell you. This is Legacy School. This is one of the big landmark of this Hennur Bhairathi, Legacy International School. After this, little further on the right hand side there's a property, and there's on the left hand side there's one more property. So we are right now on Hennur Bhairathi. Do not forget, we are actually on Hennur Bhairathi main road right now. This is a proper main road where there are lots of shops and schools and hotels. So it is a proper, and over here we take a left turn, it goes to Doddagubi and Purva Palm Beach. So this is just for your reference. After this, little further on the left hand side you see a Bishop House board on the left. So you take a right here. So on this road here we take a right turn, and on this road little further we have a corner property which is a 35 by 50 a corner property, a proper northwest corner property. This property was actually 4,200 rupees long back, 2 years back, that is before Corona. And after COVID, now this corner property, I'm not talking about this house which you're seeing, a beautiful house newly built, At that time, this house was also not available, not there on this property. Now it is nicely built in COVID. This is the one which you're seeing, the stone compound property right in front. This is the corner. I'm standing on the corner side. So this property, this is the lane going inside. This side is 50 and this is 35. So this property was 4,200, and you will not believe, in this COVID now the prices have rose up to 5,500. Absolutely. And 5,500 is actually 3-4 months back. I don't know what is the price now, but it is 5,500. And the moment when I've come back to the main road again, the same Hennur Bhairathi, that is Biosyn Junction on your left. Right, I'm going back on the Hennur Bhairathi main road. We have come back on that Hennur Bhairathi main road. So let me go. There is another commercial property. I should not say commercial property, but it is semi-commercial. It is actually on this main road, the third property on the left side. First, second and third. So little further, if I take a left turn, we will find this property on my left. The size of the property is 30 and depth of the property is 50. So it is actually 1500 square feet. This is a corner property. This is a proper commercial property because this is right on Hennur Bhairathi main road. After this is the second one which you're seeing right in front, the compound, the solid block compound one, and this property is 30 by 50. It's the third property from the main road. Since it is a third property, then we call it as a semi-commercial. So anybody interested on this property, you can call me and I will show you this property. Or you can also, you have seen a landmark, so you can come and see by your own self. So this property, you will not believe, it was costing about 4,800 2 years back, and today it is 6,500. You will not believe. And very close by there is a BDA property, BDA layout very close by, which is covered in Savaria Seth Estates video number 12. So those properties are also costing 6,500, and this property is also costing 6,500. So guys, these are the prices which have gone up and up only. So COVID situation is really not going to help anybody in terms of negotiating, and because these are all individual properties and hard-earned money earned by an individual personality who have saved their money for a long time in their banks and bought a property, and now they are selling it for some XYZ reason, for their personal reasons. So definitely the market is not as what maximum buyers are thinking, that they would definitely make a big money out of this. Not possible. These are all individual properties which they are trying to sell, and this will always keep going up and up. Nothing to do with Corona. So I, Prithvi, I'm signing off until we meet again with yet another good video. Nearly 70% of my viewers have subscribed me, liked me. So that's really a good news for me. Thank you so much. Keep supporting me more and more.